This is the menu settings video for the Mini Q9 dashcam. Begin by powering up your dashcam and pressing the OK or power button to stop recording. Now press the up button, hold it in, and wait for the menu to appear. The first item is resolution. This dashcam has three different settings: 1296, 1080p, and 720. For best video quality, always select the highest resolution in your dashcam. Press the OK button to save the setting. Go down to the next item. For quality or detail, I would leave this at superfine and press the OK button to save. Recycle refers to the looping on your micro SD card for each clip recorded. It has 1, 3, and 5 minute settings or off. I would suggest 1 or 3. I like 3 minutes for my videos. The beep sound is good in your vehicle to make sure you press the button, but for this we're going to turn it off. Exposure value would be useful to improve nighttime video recordings by bumping it up 1 or 2 notches. I would leave it for 0 and see what yours looks like. White balance is important for anyone with a windshield that has tinting on it that is obscuring the color of your video clips. You can adjust it here. I'm going to show this in my image quality tips video. ISO sensitivity rating, I would also leave this at auto, but I will cover it in my tips video. It refers to the speed of each frame capture. G-sensor sensitivity, I would leave this at low or medium. The middle setting might record too many bumps in the road and lock the clips on your micro SD card. Lane departure warning system is great for highway driving, not useful in the city. I would leave it off. Forward collision warning system might be useful on highway driving, but not in the city. The stop and go signal detector for traffic signals, I would leave this off. High dynamic range, again, this is something I'm going to cover in my image quality tips video. Contrast would be useful for anyone that only drives in the daytime or only the nighttime, and you could lock the brightness there. Leave it in the center. Sharpness is very important for this dashcam. I guarantee you're going to increase it. I found maximum setting to work best for me, but yours might not require that high a level. The GPS stamp is just to put it on the bottom of your videos. For all my demonstrations, I'm leaving it on. Not everyone wants the speed stamp shown in their video. For my demonstration, I'll leave it on. Parking mode I'm going to cover in my next video. Time-lapse is 1 frame per second. Normal is 30 frames per second only during an impact or G-sensor event. So leave it for normal to reduce the clips that are recorded. The driver number is custom text you can add to the bottom of your videos. There currently is a bug in firmware version 1.0, so if you need to use this, make sure you update your firmware. Otherwise, leave it blank. There's multiple languages. For flicker, it's 60 Hz for North America, 50 for Europe and other countries. A screensaver, you can turn it off or set it to 30 seconds. Big tip here, turn it off when you're installing your dashcam on the windshield for easier aiming. Always set your time zone first when you get your dashcam. The power off temperature, this is extremely important during parking mode when your vehicle could overheat when you're not inside. To save your dashcam from burning out and extend its life, I would recommend 70 degrees Celsius for North America, 80 or higher for India or hotter climates. Always format your micro SD card when you first install it. Default settings are useful if you want to erase everything we just done. And the current version I have is version 1.0. Press the up button, hold it in to return to normal mode. I hope you found this video useful. Subscribe, share, and like this video. Thank you for watching.